We gon' do this my way. I'm running around like you forget who I am, but I made you, don't you forget that. Starting on your friends like you ain't hop on my wave. I helped you style, I helped you grind, and you know for damn sure I'll always ride. Your mama always call me.
Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click that notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be doing a hair review. Without further ado, let's get to it. This is Outre Wigpop Tathi, the color DR Caramel. Cap as a comb at the back, an adjustable strap, and 2 combs on either side.
Top of face, gotta put you in your place, but don't pass your place. You build a bed.
This is how the wig is looking when I put it on, and as you can see here, you got to finesse this unit for the wig not to look like a wig. First, I'll go in and trim or shape the hair a little, and this is definitely optional, guys. I'm trying to do a short side and a long side. Can you all see the vision?
I ain't got patience, but you gon' stop spreading those false news. Tell your little girl to calm down too, cause I want you, I want you. X for a reason, so last season you can have my second spot thing. Don't know what you got yourself into. Let's keep this real, never gonna find someone this real, so stay in check. I got a big ego.
I'm trying to make some baby hairs and an illusion part.
And I can match your pettiness too. You build a bed, your girl living off what I built. Boy, you better stop and chill before I start to spill. You build the bed.
I am going in with my foundation to brighten this illusion parting space.
So you better stop playing with me before this turns out ugly. You build a bed, your girl living off what I built. Boy, you better stop and chill before I start to spill. You build the bed, you acting like I was never there. Ain't no chick for you like I did.
I'm just spraying the hair with some water.
Before this turns out ugly.
I'm going in with the wide tooth comb to comb the top of the hair out.
I'm not the type's gotta be in love. I had a lot of people come and go, and plus anyway, I'm used to being solo. But it was good when you came to me. You were the one to make me believe that life could be better, that we could get by together. Come sit down, let's celebrate this love we found, cause we know this is real. I'm about to let you know, I gotta let you know that you can relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. You make me smile, you like good food. You're from that place, you're from my place. Can relate to where I'm going, but I can take you anywhere, you know it. Oh, you make me laugh, you like good food. You're from that place, you're from my place. Get your clothes and let's take a drive. True love's coming back in style. We'll be riding to my song, pretty, pretty. There ain't nothing going wrong.
This is a gorgeous unit. I love the colors and I like the curls. The curls are really soft and nice. I received no shedding or tangling from the hair. I don't know if it's because I trimmed the hair a lot, but I have no cons about the unit. The hair costs only $14.95, guys. So if you're interested, the link will be in the description down below so you can go and check it out. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.
Can't relate to where I'm going, but I can take you anywhere you wanna go. You make me laugh, you like good food. You're from that place, you're from my place. We be eating hamburgers and fries. We be up watching movies all night. We ain't riding on 22s. We saving our money, we saving our money.